spring, little crescent wrench, WD-40. Nut out and pull this out here. There you go. It's easier. Instead of fighting it, there you go. The easiest way to do this, try to put this in here first and then cut the strap. Trying to do it and record this. Alright, so we're going to put that in there. Bushings, so I had it pressed on a table, put the bushings in ready to go with the washer, so it's just going to go under the frame, right in that hole right here. First. Just make sure you move it. That little bushing gets in that little hole. And then later I'll cut this. And put the new bushing in the washer. It's right here. Go ahead and put this little nipple thingy out in the bottom so it seats with the frame. And then the washer and your nut.